Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera. My name is Muhammad QAIYUM bin Osman. My matric number is 14DKM18F1123. I was born at 26 March 1999. I study in Diploma Mechanical Engineering at Polytechnic Nimah Melaka. Next, organisation background of my company. My company name is Opulence Phoenix Management, found by Encik Muhammad Zakri Nor and Encik Azhar Rahim, with experience in vendor contract telecom Malaysia. They start company from 2019. Their specialist is cable pulling and splicing cable fiber optic. The company has grown in 2 years. They successful company in Melaka only 2 years only. Next, my objective company is to provide high quality service in pulling fiber cable optic with expert experience and doing splicing and jointing. My mission of my company is carry out the work with the best as well as strong cooperation in the group while carrying out of the work. Okay, summary of industrial training activities. In September 2021, I learned to recognize the accessories used when fiber optic cables are on poles and undergrounds. First, I learned to recognition termination accessories such as pole clamp, pole head ring, thimble, hook S, preform grip, and IB clamp. Next, I learned to using plumb boundary. Plumb boundary is used for routing cable on site. In October 2021, I learned the process of pulling cable. First, I know how to pull fiber optic cables on poles and undergrounds. I also learned to use gas detector. Gas detector is used for testing gas in the manhole. We cannot enter the manhole without testing the gas, because in manhole they had ammonia gas, carbon dioxide. Next, I learn using metal detector. Metal detector is used for detect manhole blocking with premix. In November 2021, I learned about how to using and maintenance machine. First, I had a auger machine. Auger machine is used for making hole to plant poles in the ground. Next, hacking and genset. Hacking and genset is used for hacking premix on the road. Premix was blocking the manhole. Next is water pump. Water pump is used for take out water in manhole, because we cannot enter manhole without fully water. In December 2021, I learned about splicing. What is splicing? Splicing is a fusion of the fiber optic. How is the process splicing? Process splicing, first strip the core and then you clean the core using cotton and alcohol. Next, you put the core into the cleaver and then you put the core after cleaver in the splicing machine fusion. The last one is after the splicing, you must burn the sleeve to protect the core. Next, in January 2022, I have do the testing. they have four process of testing. First is OTDR. OTDR meanings optical time domain reflector. We use OTDR for reading graph. They had loss or not. Next, the OLTS set. OLTS is optical loss testing set. Is used for test the loss of the cable, such as bending cable or not splice. And then ONU is a modem to check the DP is up or not. And the power meter is used for test power of the DP is good or not. Next, in February 2022, I have welding the pole. Welding pole is used for safety because the pole was rusting. Next, technical report. First is survey site. Number 1, read the plan provided by TM before conducting a survey of areas where unified infrastructure has not been met. Number 2, measure distance according the plan provided by the TM using measuring wheel. Number 2 is wiring distribution port. Bring a ladder, ring clip and cordless for doing a wiring. The left picture is I tie the DP box on the pole. The next picture is the result of my wiring. I have it met. Number 3, welding and repair iron pole. I have used MIG welding to weld the rusting pole. That is my friend and me weld the rusting pole. Next, finding and suggestions. For Polytechnic, first, enhance new assessment at the lab. Number 2, make the industry longer. And number 3 is acquire deeper knowledge and facts about my course. For company, you must increase the allowance for trainers. Number 2 is help student gains confidence. I see students no confident to do work. Company must give more knowledge and confidence to the student. Number 3 is gain experience of the real work of work. Okay. Last one is conclusion. First, industry training is a great program for students to get into work. Number 2 is students also had opportunity to apply what they have learned from study from Polytechnic to the work environments. Number 3 is industrial training is important for students to be able to understand and gain sufficient experience. I have my conclusion. I think Polytechnic must send to my company training student because students can get a real project experience. My company have a target to start the project, execute the project with the time. I just want to say thank you to my lecturer Encik Azlan bin Asman, also my supervisor Encik Muhammad Zakri Nur and Encik Azhar bin Rahim for teaching me in the company. Also my teammates for support me intern in this company. Number 2 is wiring distribution port, iaitu Okay pula.